Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Breakthrough AI website security technology instantly scans, detects and fixes malware. Breakthrough AI website security technology instantly scans, detects and fixes malware, bots and hacker threats in just 60 seconds without the tech headaches. Launch your own web security agency in minutes, with everything done for you inside Soteria. Comes with built-in 6-figure website security agency setup and growth kit, client finder application, branded reports, and even a WordPress security plugin with reseller license. Real-time malware detection and website monitoring. Continuously scan, detect, and automatically eliminate malware, vulnerabilities, and malicious attacks. No coding or technical skills required. Beginner-friendly setup and automation workflows designed for non-technical users and agency owners. 360 degrees WordPress protection modules. Get enterprise-grade protection including SQL filtering, spam blocking, proxy banning, DNS blacklisting and more. DFY website security agency setup plus agency license. Get everything you need to instantly launch your own security agency including DFY materials, templates, and a full business roadmap. Soteria detects and neutralizes the most dangerous malware threats of 2025, protecting your and your client's website 24/7. In today's digital landscape, cyber threats are evolving rapidly, with attackers employing sophisticated malware to compromise systems, steal data, and disrupt operations. Soteria is designed to proactively detect and neutralize these threats, ensuring your digital assets remain secure. No wonder Soteria is fast becoming the world's #1 best website security software. My website got hacked twice. Until I found Soteria. I run a small online store and got hacked twice last year. I spent hundreds on freelancers and still kept losing sleep. Soteria changed everything. Their AI monitors my site 24/7 and I haven't had a single incident since. Total lifesaver. It cleaned up what I couldn't even see. After getting flagged for suspicious scripts on my store, I found Soteria. Not only did it help clean things up, but it also pointed out some backend stuff I didn't even know was there. Solid tool if you're running a small business online. Soteria caught malware my expensive host missed. I thought my expensive hosting plan had me covered. Wrong. Soteria caught malware my host totally missed. The report feature made me look like a hero to my clients. I'm now protecting all client websites with Soteria. I never thought website security could be so easy. As a beginner WordPress user, I was intimidated by security plugins. Soteria is completely point and click. It protects my site, blocks bots, sends alerts, and I didn't have to hire anyone. Pure peace of mind. It takes only 3 easy steps to protect your website against any malware and hacking attacks. Add your assets in 1 click. Connect your website or client sites in seconds. Soteria securely verifies ownership so you can manage everything from one powerful dashboard. Get instant security fix recommendations. Our AI instantly scans for common weak points and provides a prioritized checklist, from enabling OTP to advanced patching tips, so you can prevent breaches before they happen. Run full audit and activate 24/7 protection. Launch a complete vulnerability scan, auto-fix issues, and set up continuous real-time monitoring for peace of mind. Then activate our WordPress plugin to enable AI-powered firewall and instant malware defense. Find vulnerable websites in seconds. Use the built-in Client Finder tool to instantly uncover websites with potential security threats. No digging, no coding, no tech headaches. Auto-reach website owners with ready-to-send messages. Soteria's lead generation system automatically contacts these prospects with pre-written outreach messages that position you as the expert they need. Fix issues with one-click security tools. Run instant security scans, detect malware, and resolve threats with one click, powered by Soteria's AI Malware Cleaner, firewall setup, and protection protocols. Collect payments. 1. Deliver results, share branded security reports, and get paid fast. Offer ongoing monthly security packages or charge per fix. It's your call. We're in 2025. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.